Lesson is I can write linear equations from a graph. It says a shoe store offers free points when you sign up for a rewards card. Then for each pair of shoes purchased, you earn an additional number of points. The graph shows the total points earned for several pairs of shoes. Find and interpret the rate of change in initial value, then write an equation in slope-intercept form. So rate of change, remember, is the same thing as slope. So we'll find the slope of the line by doing rise over run. So I'll pick any 2 points where it goes through the corner of the graph paper, or the lattice points. And from this point to this point, it goes up 30 points. My change in y is 30 points. My change in x is 2 pairs of shoes. And I can simplify that to 15 over 1. So my rate of change is 15 over 1, and I have to interpret or say what it means. So I'm going to say you earn 15 points for each pair of shoes you purchase. Then I need to find the initial value. The initial value is the same thing as the y-intercept. So if I go backwards on my graph, I can see that it crosses the y-axis at 30. So my y-intercept is going to be 30. Those are the free points you get when you sign up for the rewards card. So to interpret the initial value, I say you get 30 free points for signing up. You don't even have to buy any shoes to get those 30 points. Now I also need to write an equation in slope-intercept form for the situation. So my equation for this first example is y equals 15x plus 30. And this is what you're going to submit when you submit the assignment, this equation right here. The second one says Mandy's membership is represented by a function x where x represents the hours with a trainer and y represents the cost. The relationship is shown in the graph. Find and interpret the rate of change in initial value, then write an equation in slope-intercept form to represent the situation. So this is Mandy's going to the gym, and we want to find her rate of change in initial value. So first I'll find the rate of change, and I'm going to use 2 of the points where it gives us the coordinates. And I need to find change in y over change in x, and my change in y is going to be, my y value goes up from 39 to 51. So the difference between those two is 12, so I know it goes up 12. And my change in x, it goes from 0 to 4, so it goes to the right 4. I can simplify that to 3. So my rate of change is 3. That means Mandy pays $3 per hour with a trainer at the gym. Now I need to find my initial value. I already can see my initial value in the graph right here. When x is 0, y is 39. So my initial value is 39. That means Mandy pays an initial fee of $39. So she pays $39 just to sign up for the gym, and then every hour after that she pays $3 more that she spends with the trainer. So we still need to write an equation for this one. The equation for this situation is going to be y equals 3x plus 39. Okay, the third one says Music Incorporated charges a yearly subscription fee plus a monthly fee. The total cost for different numbers of months, including the yearly fee, is shown in the graph. Find and interpret the rate of change in initial value, then write an equation to represent the situation. So first I'm going to find the rate of change. I can use any 2 points on the graph. From this point to this point, my change in y is 3 because it goes from 15 up to 18. So my change in y is 3. My change in x is 1 because it goes from 1 month to 2 months. So the rate of change is 3 over 1, or just 3. You pay $3 per month. That's my interpretation. My initial value is kind of hard to read from the graph, but I know every month it's going up $3. So if I go backwards $3 from 15, I'll be at 12. So my initial value is 12. That's my yearly fee. So you pay a $12 yearly fee. So I pay $12 every year, plus $3 every month after that I'm using this music subscription. So for the equation for this relationship, I would say y equals 3x plus 12.